And the last one, we've got an X's and T's again here. So yeah, I want to shout at the video when I make my first XT error here. The auxiliary equation gives answers m equals -3 and m equals -2. So we have a e to the -3t plus b e to the -2t. Didn't get that one wrong. X equals that. We have an exponential part here. It doesn't clash with any of those. So nearly wrote y equals, but I didn't. So we're going to go x equals lambda e to the -t. So when we differentiate that, we get minus lambda e to the -t. And when we differentiate it again, we get back to lambda e to the -t. Putting those all into the equation here, so we're going to lambda e to the -t, minus 5 of them, 5 lambda e to the -t's, and then add 6 of them, add 6 lambda e to the -t, and that makes 2 e to the -t. I thought they cancelled for a minute and I'd gone wrong, but that isn't. That's 2 lambda e to the -t's, isn't it? And so lambda equals 1. So our solution here is a e to the -3t plus b e to the -2t and then plus e to the -t. There's our general solution. And oh, it's different. Let's have a read of this. No, not to start with. So dx by dt, differentiating this, gives me -3a e to the -3t, -2b e to the -2t, and then minus e to the -t. We've been given the values when x is equal to 0, t is equal to 0. So we've got 0 equals a plus b plus 1, and dx by dt is equal to, is that 0 as well? No, dx by dt is equal to 2. So 2 is equal to -3a minus 2b minus 1. So solving those two simultaneous equations, does that just give us a, what does that give us? A equals 0, doesn't it? A equals 0 and b equals -1. So we've got, so that's 0 now then. So it is just minus e to the -2t plus e to the -t. So that is our solution. Now I've got those around the wrong way. It's b equals 0, isn't it? It's b equals 0 and a equals -1. I really should do these on the calculator rather than just staring at them and trying to guess while the camera's running. Right, so it's minus e to the -3t. There's that one there. Right, what we got to do at the end there then. So if we differentiate this, we get 3e to the -3t minus e to the -t. Show the maximum value of this. So the maximum value, so when does this equal 0? So at the maximum, dx by dt equals 0. Now if we add that to both sides, we're going to have e to the -t equals 3e to the -3t. Log both sides, so we're going to get -t equals ln 3, take away 3t, add the 3t to both sides. And so t is equal to a half ln 3, I think. If t is equal to a half ln 3. If I'm going to justify that it's the maximum, I'm then going to find the second derivative as well and show out that d2x by dt squared is going to be less than 0. We'll check that as well. And we're finding out what x is. And so x is equal to minus e to the minus 3 over 2 ln 3 plus e to the minus a half ln 3. So we got some tidying up to do with this, haven't we? So minus e to the ln 3 to the power of 3 over 2 minus 3 over 2 plus e to the ln, that is 1 over root 3. They're going to cancel, they're going to cancel, and we're going to work through the surds to get there. And after 5.5 minutes and half an hour in the last one, I'm done.